So now, students, we are studying the derivation for the kinetic energy of a body of mass m and moving with velocity v, and which starts from the rest initially. That means at the initial stage, its velocity will be 0. So we take u equal to 0, as you can see on the board on the back side. Now, when a force is applied on a body, work is said to be done on the body. That means whenever we apply force on a body, work is done on it. So now in this case, the work done on the body will be given as W equal to F into S, that is by the formula work done equal to force into displacement, as you can see on the board here. So W equal to F into S. Now this force produces acceleration, which will be given by small a. So W equal to F into S and F equal to m into a. Just refer to this derivation given here mathematically. Now after this, we put the value of force in the expression for work later on. Before this, we just come to the third equation given by Newton. Now what the third equation says: according to third equation, v square minus u square equal to 2as. So we put the value, we put the mathematical interchanging here. Now v square minus u square upon 2a becomes s. We are separating the displacement from the equation. So we have equation number 2 as s equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. Now force equal to m into a, as given by Newton's second law, F equal to m into a. So this will be third equation, suppose. Then again we put the value W equal to F into S, and in place of F we are writing m into a, and in place of S we are writing v square minus u square upon 2a. This comes from equation number third. So finally u equal to 0 because body was initially at rest, and we have the formula W equals to m into a, ma into v square upon 2a, that is half mv square. So finally the expression which we are getting, half mv square, that is the expression for work done on the body, and which is the same as kinetic energy of the body of mass m. So in this way we can derive the relation for kinetic energy of a body moving with velocity v and having mass m. Now you can pause the video from here and you can note down the derivation in your notes copy or in your notebook. So just pause the video and just copy it as it is